Hi, my name is Rachael Todman. I'm a financial advisor at Consortium Private Wealth. Before we get started, just a reminder that the content in this video is general in nature and does not constitute personal financial advice. So looking at this week, why financial success isn't just a numbers game. Money, finances, investments, it's easy to see why, and logically financial success could be considered a numbers game. We need to be mindful that real financial success is more than just the numbers and needs more than that to work. It also requires passion, interest, commitment, perseverance, and sometimes a bit of optimism and definitely resilience. So this is why a mindset is such a critical part of your financial success. So 5 key ways that we can look to improve our money mindset is determining what your values are. So when was the last time that you actually asked what's important to you? Now, reason being, your core life values are such a valuable tool when considering your life goals and your personal finances. So if you're not living aligned with your spending and budgeting with your values, then you might start to feel some dissatisfaction and also that something's missing in your life. So your values should reflect, your financial decision making, and just to make sure that you're heading in the right direction as well, to those that are most important to you. Step 2, have a vision. So once you've determined what your core values are, then the next step is to clarify the big picture. So the big picture being you. So it's easy to get caught up in comparing yourself to others, keeping up with the Joneses, but it's really very highly unlikely that the Joneses have the same value or see the big picture as what you do. So if you go along this path of comparing yourself to others and following their footsteps, you'll only get you somewhere that you don't actually want to be. So remember your own values and goals, stay in your own lane, and enjoy the process and the journey towards reaching your own financial success or reaching your goals and your values. Step 3, review your beliefs. So from a young age, you've probably heard, money doesn't grow on trees, money is the root of all evil, money won't buy happiness. Often our beliefs are formed through our experiences as children, and they guide us through our thoughts and behaviours throughout life. With tainted views on money, it's not surprising that people have a lot of anxiety or have a challenging relationship with money. So if this is something that you maybe have some limiting beliefs yourself, it's something that you need to take a step back on and perhaps consider these things and changing the narrative for your story moving forward. Step 4, find a healthy balance. So we know, for example, from a dieting culture, that if you have a highly restrictive diet or an exercise regime that is, very extreme, that it is unhealthy and it's often difficult to maintain. So balance is the key, to a healthy lifestyle, and it's also the same and true for your budget. So having an unrealistic budget will not only set you up for disappointment, so you just need to make sure that it's realistic and find that healthy balance so that you can do the things you want to do and live the life that you want to live now, but also set yourself up for the future. Step 5, gratitude. Practicing gratitude, it's not a new thing, it's not a new age concept, and it's been proven over the years that there's a huge link between having gratitude in your life and your improved well-being. So next time you're feeling down about your money and your financial situation, just take a moment to acknowledge all the positives in life that you have going for you, and it may just shift your thinking. Anyway, it's giving you something to think about, and how you can change that relationship and money mindset. So thanks for listening, and we'll chat to you again soon.